Scallop lace. Hello fellow knitters. Pick Stitch is up with a delicate, easy to knit design. You can apply it on any work. Requirements: 3 ply cotton yarn, needle 2 mm or 13 number. Pattern is worked lengthwise, cast on stitches 4. Pattern is executed in 6 rows. First, second and third row will knit all stitches. Earlier we have knitted leaf pattern and a lace with beads, and here is scallop pattern. After knitting 3 rows, on 4th row we'll increment 4 stitches by knitting in front and back of first stitch. After incrementing, we'll have 5 stitches on right hand side, yarn forward, knit 3. Fifth row, knit 4, purl 5. Sixth row, cast off 4 stitches. Slip stitch 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 2. Another elegant pattern to enhance your lifestyle. Pattern and abbreviation in form of text. Do not forget to subscribe channel for more knitting ideas. Thank you for watching and keep knitting.